In this video, I'm going to show you an 888 star promo code to use in Senegal. Let's subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this. So if you're in Senegal and you're looking for an 888 star promo code to use, here's exactly what to do. The first thing first, you come over here and click on registration, and there are three options, but choose the last option that says by email address. This is the only option that is going to allow you to activate a promo code. So once you are here, choose your surname and your name and email address. Once that's done, also go ahead to create a password. To create a good password, please follow the requirements that are given here and register your account. Once that is done, please put in the promo code Renzo TV. Use the promo code Renzo TV, you're going to receive 200% bonus on your first deposit. This means that you deposit $100, you receive $200 as bonus sent to your account. Now, once that's done, fill in the three boxes here and register your account. After registration, complete an email verification with 888 stars and make sure that your email is valid. After that, complete your first deposit to receive your bonus and activate your bonus account.